About this item silent type, the high quality PU rubber outer wheel and steel bearing mechanism make it silent when riding, and has good anti-slip and anti-noise performance. Each wheel has a load capacity of 110.2 lbs, 50 kilograms, caster specifications, tire diameter, 1.6 inches, 40 millimeters, width, 0.7 inches, 18 millimeters, bearing inner diameter, 0.2 inches, 6 millimeters, bolt length, 1.4 inches, 35 millimeters, slash 1.2 inches, 30 millimeters, 4 pieces each, washer, 0.5 inches, 12 millimeters. Please check the dimensions of the tire, diameter and width, carefully before purchasing set contents. 4x casters, diameter 1.6 inches, 40 millimeters, 8x bolts, axle 30 millimeters, x4, 1.4 inches, 35 millimeters, x4, 8x screws, 0.5 inches, 12 millimeters, 8x washers, 0.5 inches, 12 millimeters, 2x wrench, wheel replacement and repair. When wheels deteriorate from your suitcase or carry bag, this wheel repair kit can be easily replaced. Easy to install even for beginners. Scope of application for repairing wheels, such as shopping carts, suitcases, and carrying boxes, etc. Note, this product is not universal, so please check the dimensions of the caster before purchasing in the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item silent type, the high quality PU rubber outer wheel and steel bearing mechanism make it silent when riding, and has good anti-slip and anti-noise performance. Each wheel has a load capacity of 110.2 lbs, 50 kilograms, caster specifications, tire diameter, 1.6 inches, 40 millimeters, width, 0.7 inches, 18 millimeters, bearing inner diameter, 0.2 inches, 6 millimeters,